Hello programmers, back to another problem solving video. So today I will discuss about the unknown problem, which is calculator. And here it says given a mathematical expression, the expression will be one of the following expressions: a plus b, a minus b, a into b, and a divided by b. So there are four arithmetic operations. So print the result of the mathematical expression. So here the input can be something plus something money. I can say a plus b or a minus b. It can be anything, any of them. So I have to print them. So here this is the input sample, and this is the output. And you can see that uh, in between them 7 and 54, I see a plus symbol which is attached with those numbers. But in programming, if I give a input, I have to uh, give a space so that I can enter another uh, I can give another input. So if I take integer data type, it will be not work. So that's why I have to take I have to take this input as string. Then I have to calculate or write a algorithm to uh, calculate this. Okay, so let's jump into the code, and you will see the solution. You will see the solution in more details. So at first create a file, calculator.cpp. Okay, then include bit slash tdc plus plus dot h using namespace std. Okay, so first of all I have to take this string as a user input. So string s scene right shift s. So after that, what I have to do, I have to uh, take two strings, and or I can say take three strings to store the first digit, which is this one, second digit, which is this one, and the symbol. So I just take three strings. So integer s1, s2, and s1 means I can write like num1, num2, and operator. Okay, operator as like it. So after that, what I have to do, just expected an operator. Okay, so no problem. So what I have to do, I have to run a for loop and iterate about the string. So for why it gives me error, expected an operator. Okay, I just write opr as the variable name. Okay, that means I can't write operator as a variable. So for integer I is equal to 0, I run the for loop from 0 index, and I is less than s dot size, then I plus plus, and if, and first of all what I can check here. So at first, um, I can check the sign of the operator. If this is the plus sign, then I have to do something, or this is the minus sign, or this is multiplication sign or division sign. So at first I have I just check s of y equal plus or not, plus, or s of I equal minus, or s of I equal product, and sorry, or s of I equal division. So if any of the characters occurs, or I can find in an iteration, then I just update a variable opr. Okay, so opr will be s of I. Okay, so one part is done, and I have to calculate the number one and number two. So how can I do this? So after that I have to just continue this, continue. Okay, and if the current character is not any symbol, and if this is a number or something else, then I have to do another thing. So for example, here I can say if op dot size, and it basically means that I already reach in this portion. Okay, that means I am in the second number. Okay, it op dot size is a positive number, I can say. Op dot size may basically a single character, which means the this opr variable size is 1. So if the if the size of opr variable is 1 is 1, I can say, okay, not like that. Okay, if the size of opr variable is equal to 1, that means I already reach here in this portion. That means in this portion basically 5, or for example this, in this test case I already reach in this case, in this index, or okay. So already you understand this. So this is, if this is the case, so I just update the variable num2 plus is equal to s of I, and if this is not the case, then I just update the variable num1 and plus the s of I, and I can't add or subtract or multiply product any numbers, because number 1 and number 2 are in string format. So I have to change the data type of those numbers. So I take two variables, n1 and n2. So just convert using stoi function. This means string to integer, and I pass the variable num1, so it will convert num1 from string data type to integer data type. Okay, then just convert the second number, and in this case I have to write if else statement. So opr equal, if this is the plus sign, then uh, just calculate the summation. So see out what will be summation, n1 plus n2, and already you will understand the rest of the thing. So I just do this. Else if opr variable is minus sign, then just subtract it, and if the opr variable is product sign, then multiplicate it, and if otherwise just divide it. Okay, and this is the solution. And here it says a, s and b, and that means one line contains in number one, that mean, or I can say number a, number b, and s, that means this string. Okay, so and the range is 10 to the power 4. So integer variable is integer variable works fine in this case. Okay, so let's test it. So g++ calculator dot cpp run. So 7 plus 54, so it returns 61. Perfect. So again run 17 times 10, it returns with 170. Okay, it also works perfectly. So let's submit it. Browse, calculator, open, and submit. Okay, alhamdulillah, accepted. So I end up this video here, and see you in the next one, which is uh first digit. Okay, till then, bye bye.